Ha. D. Okay. Okay. Take two over. Take two over. To 8.
So you're going to do a few drops in here.
Full drop.
Yeah, put a few drops in there. Oh, there you go. What? Oh, that's perfect stuff.
Look.
Yeah, mix it. Mix. Good job. Okay. Now put that one in, pour into that one. Oops. There you go. Good job. Whoa. Ew.
2.
Oh, bless you.
2. 5.
Good job. Here it goes. Wow. Never turns out. Okay. Ooh, it turned weird. Maybe that's not the right stuff. We weren't supposed to do food coloring. What is it?
What?
It changes color. This is a changing color pigment.
Cool.
So,
Mimi painted it.
yeah.
It.
It should change color.
Jose.
Say thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Watch it. Ja cię kodo. Ja cię kodo.